Assalamu alaikum, my dear all students. I hope you all are fine and in good health. Today, we are proceeding to the review 1 exercise from page number 57. So let's start it. As you can see on page number 57, question number 4, I'm reading this one. Punctuate the following sentences and use correct capitalization. Students, we already have an idea where we can use the capitalization. I already have told you in the previous lessons that wherever you need to prominent the nouns, for example, the name of a place or a thing or any important person, you need to capitalize the alphabet, the first capital name of anything on a place or anything. So let's start with one. As you can see, I'm reading this one. You can see I'm writing here number 1. We went to Faisal Mosque yesterday. Now, where we need to capitalize these one? Let's read that one. You think that Faisal Mosque is a name of an important place? And I told you that it should be in a capital letter. So what we need to do? I'm writing here the answer. We went to, I'm capitalized the first letter. That is F. Faisal Mosque. These two one in a capital one. And yesterday. And you know all that whenever we discuss about any upcoming event or any kind of an expression, we need an exclamation mark at the end of this one. So we went to Faisal Mosque yesterday. This is the accurate style to punctuate the sentence. Let's move to the next one. I'm writing here March comes after February. Now you see that February is an important month. So it is in obviously lowercase letter. So it should be in uppercase letter. And you see that March is also an important month. So it should be in capital 1. It should be in capital 1. And whenever obviously we're pursuing that one, we are emphasizing that one, March, we need to put a comma, and then after that comes after February. So I'm writing here for you capital M, March, in comma, then comes after a capital letter F1, that is February. March comes after February. Now move to third one, that is I live in Pakistan. You know, you see that there is a lowercase letter, that is, and the first one I, obviously denoting ourselves. So it should be in the first letter should be a capital one. So I live in, obviously you know that Pakistan. Pakistan is a country, so it should be, the P should be in a capital letter. I live in Pakistan, and a full stop at the end of the sentence. I live in Pakistan. So this is about, these are the sentences to punctuate. Then it's just for you. Please do practice at your home. Now moving towards next question, question number 5. You can see that students circle the adjective in each sentence, write its type in the given blank. As you obviously revise that the previous concepts about, you will see that there are some sorts of, I already have discussed with you all, the types of adjectives. We have discussed descriptive, we have discussed quantitative, we have discussed numeral. So here this is write its type in the given blanks. Now I'm just writing here for you which one is the descriptive one, which one is the quantitative one, which one is the numeral one. So let's start with that one. Number 5 part is, you can see that Fifi has small fins. Fifi has small fins. Now students, you can see that small, it gives about the description of Fifi. So which one is the form? That is descriptive. Which one is descriptive? Number 2, this chocolate is delicious. Now you can see that delicious is kind of a descriptive of an obviously adjective. So which one is this? Descriptive. I hope you are understanding these. Number 3, dried milk is added to mixture. Dried milk is added. Now you can see that added. What kind of, what quantity? So dried milk is added. So added is a quantitative adjective. Added is the quantitative adjective. Now number 4, I have 2 dolls. Now you can see, students, here they have written in the sentence 2 the numeral adjective. They're defining that I have 2 dolls. So this kind of, what they are describing, that are numeral adjectives. Now move towards the last one. Pink roses bloomed in the garden. Now you can see that bloomed. Bloomed, students, is kind of a descriptive adjective. Descriptive adjective. So I hope now you have an understanding, and now you will know that what kind of specific type of adjective is to be written in the respective blanks. So move towards the last one. Circle the gender nouns. Question number 6, you can see that on page number 57. Circle the gender nouns. Rewrite 3 sentences after changing the gender. Students, what they are demanding? The gender. We already have the concept about masculine and feminine. We have discussed about. Now, what we need to do, there are given sentences. We just need to change the gender and write the specific sentence. So, I am doing it for you. So, let's start it. Number 1, here it is, I am writing here question number 6. Cows were grazing in the field. Now, as you can see that cows, what is the obviously gender of cows? Bull. So I am writing here, bulls were grazing in the field. The whole sentence after that will be the same one. We just need to change the gender. Now comes up with the second one, that is my father looked at me. Obviously, father, there is a gender defined here. We need to change the gender. So what is the gender of the father? That is mother. So I am writing here, my mother looked at me. So in this way, we can change the gender and obviously changing the whole meaning of the sentence one by changing the gender. So next one, that is the third one, that is, I saw a lion in the zoo. I saw a lion in the zoo. What is the gender of lion? Obviously, lioness. I saw a lioness in the zoo. So, students, in this way, we can change the gender, and obviously, by changing the gender, we can change the whole meaning of the sentence. So, I have done it for you. Please do practice at home. So, this is all about the obviously the short exercise of the review 1 of page number 77. I hope you all have the understanding about this. If you have any difficulty, please consult your teacher or your parents. Thank you very much.